Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can cast your screen on your Windows PC device. Now, it's a very simple process. You don't need any third-party applications as well. So make sure you follow through this entire tutorial to be successful in casting your phone screen on your laptop or PC. So first thing you want to do for this process is open up settings, which you can easily do by clicking on the Windows and I key together. Once you're in settings, just go and search for apps. Once you're in apps, click on the optional features area, and once you're in here, click on view features, and under here for you will see the wireless display feature. Install the feature. It'll only be a couple of MB, but it will take at least 15 minutes to install. Depends on PC to PC, but yeah, once you've installed that feature, so yeah, it is not showing up for me here. It is mostly at the end. You can see the wireless display feature. Just tap on it and click on next and install it. Once you've installed that feature, go to the settings and search again and search for projection settings. Once you're in projection settings, you can see this option which says launch the wireless display app to project this PC. Just tap on that and you will be welcomed with this screen. Once you're here, just make sure you're connected with the same Wi-Fi with your smartphone as well. So once you both the PC and the phone are connected on the same Wi-Fi network, you can go down on your notification area and select the cast screen button. Now this depends and varies from phone manufacturer to manufacturer. For my Xiaomi device, I have a cast option in my notifications shade. Once I tap on it, it'll see that my laptop is available. Once I tap on my laptop, you can see that my phone screen is now casted over here. So yeah, this depends on company to company. Now casting your screen is available on almost every provider. So make sure you toggle between settings, and it is different, the wording is different, but at the end phone casting is possible natively without needing to download any third-party application. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.